Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a Google form. For creating a Google form, first you have to go to Google and search Google Forms Create. After searching, you can see a link of Google Forms Create and Analyze service for free. Or else you can create a Google form by clicking the link given in the description box. Click that. After opening that link, you can see Go to Google Forms. So click it. After clicking Go to Google Forms, it will look like this. So are you able to see the button settings? Click that. And here you have an option, make this a quiz. So just make it a quiz, and they are giving options like release grades. So if you click immediately after each submission, children will get their grade after their submission itself. And if you do later after manual review, so you only have to check it. And here you can see missed questions, everything can be seen here. Now we can go to questions section, and here you instead of that untitled form, you can just write what is this form about. Just write the topic. What is this Google form about? So I am just writing science quiz. Now can you see that untitled question? Click that, then you can type your question. Now for example, I am giving the sentence like the method of separating grains from stalks is called option 1. I'll give it as threshing, option 2 as hand picking, and option 3 as sedimentation. So now you can make this question required. If you make this question required, then a person can't submit the form if they miss any one of the questions. So can you see answer key button? Click that, then just click the correct answer. Here the correct answer is threshing. Now can you see a preview button on the top? Click it. Now you have to attend this quiz just for checking is this quiz alright or no. So the method of separating grains from stalks is called threshing, and I submitted. Now we are able to see an option known as view score. So here they are showing 1 out of 1. Let us go back. Now I will tell you how to change the background color. So near the preview button, you can see a theme options button. Click that. After that, you can just check whichever color you like blue, purple, red, yellow, whichever of your choice. So here we have different handwritings also, like basic, decorative, formal, playful, etc. So here I am choosing formal handwriting. So after clicking theme options, you can see an option like choose image. After clicking that, you can see here many types of photos and that all. So you can choose your favorite theme. So now I have selected the theme which I feel is appropriate for this, and I inserted it. Now you can see how the Google form looks, and you can change again the theme color. So when we keep this theme, there may be like options that you can only choose these colors. In the beginning you were able to keep different colors, but now after keeping the theme, it is not like that. So now you can click responses button. Here you can see the summary of submission and questions, your questions which you have given, and like you can check each and every child's individual Google form. So that's all. We have finished making the Google form. This is all about how to create a Google form. Thank you for watching.